Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use your image to generate a video in Kling AI, sorry. Here's where you can add in your photos, and here's where you can enter your prompt. This will also kind of help here. It says the person runs, the camera follows, and it will create a prompt for you, I guess. And then here there's also motion control, sound effects, and some negative prompts to go with it. But you can also just use the templates that they have here. This is mostly text to video though, but I think you can kind of replace some of it with your own image. So if you select recreate, I think you can paste in your own image here. So the start, you're going to add in an image that you have and whatnot. So right now the trending ones are the like cutting fruit ASMR, and then they also have like which bed you want to sleep in, you've had a long day at work or something like that. And then there's also one where like you pick a book. I don't know, there's just a lot of options you can make, and Kling AI is free, although sometimes you'll need to be super patient for it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.